Hello there, it's Al, Sunstate Roofing. So I just thought I'd show you what's involved in a QC. Our jobs are highly supervised throughout the whole job. Towards the end, when our guys are finished, we come through and we do a full quality control check. We've got about 30 points that we check off. As you walk onto the job, the boys put a bit of barricade around that. So that's all your rubbish, which we're about to get picked up by a crane truck, and he'll just drive straight into the driveway and then pick that up with his crane skip bag. So the boys just put the rubbish there and the crane truck will pick that up as well. So the first thing I do is I just walk around. There's the spare materials. I just walk around the house checking for any rubbish on the ground. I did find a few things there, which I'll send them a photo, and I'll probably get the boys back just to do a quick little clean up. So the first point I check is along the gutters, just make sure that they're clean, that there's no screws in them. So I'll walk around the whole area and just see if there's any screws. Then we're just looking at your screw lines. As you can see, they're nice and straight, and then we'll go over and we'll just look at screws, and I'll just walk all the lines and just see if there's any washers that may have not grabbed properly. Just checking the ridges, so your rivets there need to be 40 mil. That's a dry pan, so they're all 40 mil, and that's good. And he's under sealed his ridges. So we're just checking up the valleys, making sure they're nice and straight. Big one's deck tots. I always like to make sure that they've sealed around that rubber onto the pot, and then just sealed around there. And then I always check, we don't do this, but the hot water guys, I just double check their deck tots been sealed correctly.